Nestled atop a stunning clifftop position in Portsea, this breathtaking mansion at 3786 Point Nepean Road offers the ultimate in luxury living, with sweeping views over Portsea Pier and the bay. Designed by BE Architecture, the home beautifully balances privacy, exclusivity, and modern elegance, creating the perfect multi-generational retreat. Step through a secure, remote gate and into a world of sophistication. The property features both a triple garage and off-street parking for 5 vehicles. A breezeway lined with lush New Zealand lilies leads you to the self-contained apartment and the main residence, where a lift and grand staircase connect the 2 levels. Inside, the lower level boasts 3 spacious bedrooms and bathrooms, along with a stylish living area featuring wide oak floorboards, an open fireplace, and stacker doors that open to the covered alfresco area and lap pool. The marble and Millet kitchen is a chef's dream, ideal for both intimate family meals and entertaining. Upstairs, the wide entertaining terrace is the highlight, offering panoramic bay views and a fully equipped barbecue area, complete with ceiling heaters and surround sound. The main kitchen is equally impressive, outfitted with double Millet ovens, a butler's pantry, and integrated Liebherr appliances. The luxurious main bedroom is a private sanctuary, featuring a walk-through robe and a lavish ensuite. Additional amenities include underfloor heating in all 5 bedrooms, zoned heating and air conditioning, a comprehensive security system, and an irrigation system powered by bore water. 2 large underground rainwater tanks adds to the property's sustainability. Just steps from the vibrant heart of Portsea Village, this residence provides easy access to cafes, the Portsea Hotel, local golf courses, and Point Nepean National Park. Whether it's a peaceful retreat or an entertainer's paradise, this property offers a rare opportunity to experience the ultimate coastal lifestyle.